Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gamified Education. Here, I'll teach you different topics from different subjects in a gamified, fun and exciting manner. So, let's begin. Today's game is meaning of accounting. It is a quite big name, no? So, let's go for a shorter one. It is jealousy. So, let's begin. Talking about him, he's the first and the main character of our game. He's Mr. X-Man. He's a highly successful businessman and has a ruby which worth 200 crores. One day, when he was sleeping along with his ruby, it suddenly gets stolen. He then calls the police and the police investigates his room. During the investigation, police finds a phone in his room. They show this phone to Mr. X-Man. When Mr. X-Man holds it, it asks for a password and the password gets automatically handled. The password is accounts. Then suddenly a screen appears writing,
Yeah, you billionaire, people think you're smart and intelligent. Let's see how much you know about your own subject accounts. Well, play this game and take your ruby back. By finishing this game, you will not only prove yourself but learn a lot. The things that you will learn are meaning of accounting, accounting as a source of information, qualitative characteristics of accounting, objectives of accounting, and role of accounting, and basics of accounting. So, let's begin.
So first, let us see the definition of accounting. It is the process of identifying, measuring, recording and communicating the required information related to the economic events of a business organization to the interested users of that information. तो गाइस अकाउंटिंग एक ऐसी प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें हम पहले ट्रांजैक्शंस को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि ये ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड करनी है या नहीं करनी है. फिर हम उन आइडेंटिफाइड ट्रांजैक्शंस को मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में मेजर करते हैं और फिर इन आइडेंटिफाइड और मेजर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर यानी कि सिस्टमैटिक ऑर्डर में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं और फाइनली इस इंफॉर्मेशन को हम इसके इंटरेस्टेड यूज़र्स यानी जो इस इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज़ कर सकते हैं जैसे क्रेडिटर्स, बैंकर्स या फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इटसेल्फ एट्सेट्रा इनसे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. आफ्टर दिस द स्क्रीन अगेन अपीयर्स सेइंग,
Tell me the meaning of word identification here and you will get address of your first stop.
The businessman was very smart. He explained, it means determining which transactions are to be recorded. Yes guys, identification simply means कि हमें कौन सी transactions record करनी है. एक business में काफ़ी transactions होती है. हमें सोचना है कि हमें कौन सी चीज़ें record करनी है या नहीं करनी है. The screen reappears.
Saying, well, right and smart. Now we can go through this teleport.
And suddenly a teleport appears and they go inside it and reach to a place where two roads are diverged. The screen appears saying,
Now tell me the meaning of recording and measuring, then go to the next level.
Mr. X easily answers it and says, measuring means quantifying transactions in financial terms using monetary units like rupees or paise. Yes guys, measuring simply means that you have to convert those transactions into monetary terms. Suppose I bought an AC. I won't write I bought one AC in the books of account. I would simply write its cost. Suppose it's 60,000, then I'll only write 60,000 in the books of account. Now recording simply means identified and measured information about an economic event is to be recorded in the books of account in a chronological order and summarized manner. Yes guys, it simply means that whatever you have identified and measured, now write it down in the books of account in a chronological order and summarized manner. Chronological means systematic. The screen reappears saying,
Applause. Now you go to the way I show.
they followed the way which was shown and reached to again a weird place, and the screen reappeared saying,
Now time to explain communicating and economic events.
As usual, Mr. X easily explained, economic events are identified and measured and recorded in order that pertinent information is generated and communicated in a certain form to management and other internal and external users. Guys, definition is a bit technical, but its simple meaning is that whatever you have recorded in the books of account, just communicate it to the users of this information, whether they are internal or external. Now comes economic events. Economic event is known as a happening of consequence to a business organization which consists of transactions which are measurable in monetary terms. गाइस इसका सिंपल सा मीनिंग यही है कि जो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं बिजनेस में जिन्हें हम मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में मेजर कर सकें जैसे कि रुपीस पैसे डॉलर एक्सेट्रा उन सबको हम इकोनॉमिक इवेंट कहते हैं. Then teleport again appears and all of them get inside it. They reappear at a beautiful place and go inside the hut. They wait for a while but nothing happens. But then the screen again appears and says,
You won't get it so easily. Wait here till my call. Bye bye.